Shut up, number 28, it was Kaso number 16, Panestes, shut up. Kaso nakuha ang malika, Pauline number 19.
Tabi nga pala to, ano?
Is no good lang, nakuha naman yung number 16, Panes. Number 16, inaharap siya, kaso malam ni Paul Tarjan. Paul Tarjan si number 4.
Jerwin! Malayo pa yan ha, Jerwin!
Second attack, number 16. Second attack, pass to number 28. No good. Nawala na number 12. Number 12. Hinahanap siya pero nakatira. No good yan. Nawala na number 28. No good again. Nakuha ni number 19. Kapole. Isilanda, number 19. Kapole. That's being out in. Kaso na lang natapik. Nakuha ni number 2. Ang limas para kanina kay number 28. It was is good. PGYC. Isa na lang po ang time ng PGYC. At dalawa pa sa kabila ang Barqueta. At sa naman 2. Number 4, pass to number 18. Huli na lang sa may ball tayo dyan. Para kay jersey number 2. Hitting foul, 2 shots. First shot is good. Second shot, no good na lang. Nariban ni number 2. Pass to number 16, Panes. Number 16, Panes. Setting the play. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Waiting for the pass on number 28. Down the floor 3. Not good. Nakuha naman ni number 15. Nahuli naman lang ni number 28. Si Mr. Atlas na naman. Number 28 is good. 50 seconds remaining. Kaso na good na lang. Nakuha ni number 16.
Isip lang tan.
Pass na number 12. 50 seconds attack. 10 seconds. Number 2. Uy, ganda pasan doon. Nagot niya lang. Nakuha naman ni number 17. Go for 2.
1 minute and 20.
Number 4 is good.
1 minute 10.
1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Kaso mga traveling violation. Substitution.
Takay na. Ang ano yan, pare. Para sa NBA yung best player yan. 1 minute 3.
1 minute and 3 seconds remaining. Nagot.
Go, press mo.
Nagkakabugal ba tayo?
Paano mo?
Nakuha naman ni number 17. Paso number 7. Number 7. 15 seconds to shoot. Paso number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 11 for 2. Nagot. Nakuha naman ni number 15. Nagdabat pero hindi na nahuli na lang ni number 2. Iko. Number 2. Number 2 again. For 2. Kaso ka lang.
Basket!
Basket. Good just good.
29.9.
29.9 seconds remaining.
Saka dyan.